The first thing we are gonna do is to add a link to the category in the subcategories results page. So the user can click, in this case in technical books, and go to the categories page for technical books. So first I update Claude because a new version appeared. First we describe the prompt. So I'm describing the new feature that I want. I'm adding to a previous file related to subcategories, so I track everything that I'm asking to the artificial intelligence. I paste in here and we go. I'm using Fable 5 low effort because it's faster and works pretty well. I speed up this part because it's slow. So as you can see, it analyzes everything, the roots, the templates. This is a relatively small project. So it added it, we tried, and we got an error. This error is caused by calling ID when we have different kind of ID. We use alphanumeric IDs. So I simply paste the error here and it will fix it. Because I made the categories to be alphanumeric, not numeric. So we reload and it worked. Now we have the link to the technical book section. Nice. So we are asking now for a new feature. This feature will make a user be owner of the books that has both, or if I gift a book to a person, they will see in a new section which is called My Own Books. And from them, they will be also able to rate the book and to write a review in their preferred language. I speed that part by 8 because, as you can see, it took several minutes. We have to approve some of the operations with allow once. And finally, it did it. We reload the page, so now on the top right, under my name, we have my books section, and here my own books. Now it appears as I purchase on those dates, and I can rate, and I can write a review. I will write this one in English and the second one in Spanish. We save the review. I change my navigation language to Spanish, and I will write a review. Even if it's not necessary to change the language to write the review in Spanish or Catalan or Dutch, whatever. I like to try new things on the navigations just to make sure there is not a hidden error in there. I can only rate with integer stars, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not half. And to finish, I will create two new subcategories for the technical books category. I will create a Docker subcategory and I will create the Symfony subcategory, and later I will update the Docker Combat Guide book to add the new subcategory Docker. I keep those inserts on an SQL file so I can execute this later in production to reproduce all the subcategories and categories that I have. And I execute it on Docker on the MySQL, and now I edit and I will see Docker in there, and I will add Docker to the subcategories of this book and just reload to see that it's appearing